Hello, it's Karen the Weekend Craftaholic. It has been a long time since I've done a craft haul, and to be honest, this is my craft haul for May. So let me show you what I've got in the box. So Uniquely Creative had a 20% off discount for Mother's Day on their website, and I thought I would make the most because it has been a long time since I bought anything craft related. And when I say craft related, I mean paper craft related. I have been buying lots of things and spending lots of time sublimating. That's a whole nother video, but I thought I'd share with you my craft haul from Uniquely Creative. So I've got a little thank you card, which is lovely, and I've got a few random things as well as a couple of kits. So let's start with the randoms. Now, you can, in my mind, you can never have too many rhinestones and jewels and blingy stuff, so I made the most ordering these while they were 20% off. So these are little embellies, lots of different random ones. I love all of these, and I keep all of that kind of stuff in this little tub here, which is just underneath my desk. It just makes it so much easier when I want some enamel dots or the let me show you, or rhinestones, whichever it may be. Everything like that is here. So they will be added to my stash. Also took the plunge and got another sparkle brush. Now, it has been a while since I bought this. This is the silver one, and you will see I do already have a silver one. I've also got a black one, but let me show you why I've been holding off purchasing these. Now, I'm just going to get a piece of scrap paper. And you need to give them a nice thick coat. So you see the black one, not too bad, not very black, but not too bad. And the grey one that I have, you can see it looked brown, to be honest. It's almost like they sent me the wrong one, but it definitely says grey on that. And it definitely says silver on that. So I thought I'd give it a try. Got these little rings to separate it, of course, so it doesn't leak when it's being delivered. You can see it looks very similar. It's definitely meant to be the grey or the silver. Let's give this a nice good shake. Now, this was half price. It was only $3. And then let's give it a little bit of a squeeze. Try and get that colour coming through. Oops. Oops. Made a bit of a boo-boo there, didn't I? Everywhere I can see, it still doesn't look very silvery at all. So yeah, I thought maybe I just had a faulty one, but clearly not. So now I've got two goldy brown sparkle pens. It was worth a try though, wasn't it? And I've made a bit of a mess. All right, move that all out of the way. Also got some more of these small alpha stickers. I do love puffy stickers, and I think silver you cannot go wrong with. I love the fact that this has got numbers as well, especially when I'm doing my scrapbooking where I want lots of the 2020s. It's got some symbols as well, plenty of vowels as well, as you can see, and they do different colours, so I do love those. And where is it? They did have an advent calendar, which I didn't get this year for the first time in a while, which was this Juniper and Sage collection. I decided to just get one sheet to do a scrapbook layout as well as the creative cuts to go with it. So I'll be using that for a scrapbook layout. Some basics as well. I'm all out of foam dots or foam mounts, circles. These are the 2mm ones, and you see you get two lots in that. And I also needed some more storage pockets as well. To be honest, they are cheaper just to buy the normal A5 ones, but whilst I was ordering it was 20% off, I thought I would get these just because I've already got the others as well. And then we'll move on to a couple of kits that I've got. So the first one being the Juniper and Sage card making kit. So as you can see, it's what I was talking about, the Advent collection. And I will show you what is in this kit. So you got this nice, I love this sage colour, some nice ribbon, some more embellishments, which I'll keep with the rest. Card kits, you always get these square cards and envelopes, which are a bit of a funny size to post, so I'm not a big fan of those. I generally make cards for those to give to people in person, but the reason they do it is because they include this sheet, so you can see if you wanted to copy any of these designs, it's basically a life size. You can measure to get the right size. You can see exactly what they've used in the kit for those. And there's an idea as well of a dimensional card. Some more of the creative cuts. Where is it? That I purchased, as you can see. So that'll be good because you always need more than one set. Some of the little sentiment strips, and then this is the collection pack as well. So 6 by 6 inch. Of course, these are perfect for those card sizes. And I'll just do a quick flip. The single-sided, as you can see, they are quite thick though. I do love the quality of paper Uniquely Creative do. This is my giant one that you just saw, which is great. So yeah, some lovely muted tones in this. Some basics that you get quite a lot out of some other collections. Some fussy cut pieces, as you can see here. And then it goes back to the beginning as well. So nice bunch of papers in that. So you get 2 of each, I believe. So I'm going to make some cards and use some of these also with my scrapbook collection. And then I also got this month's scrapbook collection. It has been a while since I bought a scrapbook collection because I'm trying to use up my old ones, but I absolutely loved this one. It's called Into the Wild. Yes, Into the Wild. And these are some of the freebies that you get. Oh, not freebies, but these are some of the things you get included in the kit. So some little rhinestones. Another sparkle pen. What colour is this? This is clear, so that's good. A bit like Marwin of Stellas. Can't go wrong with that. Creative cuts. These are unusual, aren't they? I really like these. These are a different style one. So I'm going to use this for my children's scrapbook layouts, some of it for when they were much younger. So these are some vellum photo overlays. They usually do some laser cuts. This, as you can see, is like the one I purchased an extra one of for the very reason that it was in the kit. There we go. So I've got extras. We'll come back to the magazine, but there's a cutter part sheet. So the idea, I think, is you could overlay and make your own versions of these. And I will show you some of the papers. Now these are double-sided. I love how thick they are. Even the cover page always has an extra version of this on. I don't generally fussy cut on the smaller pieces, I'll be honest. I'm not that good of a fussy cutter, I don't enjoy it. I did buy my Scan and Cut to do that for me, but I find what I generally have to do is go around it with a pencil, so it does actually register the marks. So you can see here you get 2 of each. So I figured this would be perfect for like the younger year scrapbooking, but also just generally ones as well with some of these muted colours. I love this one. And these plain ones as well. Usually once I've got to the bare bones of a kit and I've used most of it, then I'll just put the sheets in my little Kallax unit just to use with anything. But I try and keep everything within the kit as long as possible. And there you go. As I mentioned, these are perfect for any kit. And we've got a couple of these cutter parts as well. So yeah, I'll probably go around some of these with a pencil so it's a bit darker, and then I can get my Scan and Cut to cut these out. But again, love getting numbers. They're so useful, and all of these little quotes and things. So you'll be seeing me use that very soon, I hope. And that is my craft haul for May. Oh, I was going to show you this, wasn't I? And very lastly, I will show you the little booklet you get with it. So you can buy these separately if you're looking for inspiration. You get to see the design team's layouts and some instructions on how to put it together as well if you're interested. I probably shouldn't flick through every single one because it is part of the kit when you purchase it, but some great ideas, and even for card making as well. So even if you don't want the kit, I think these books are great. You could always buy their books on their own just to give you an idea of some layout designs. And that is it. So thank you for watching. I know it's been a while. I'm trying to curb my spending and use up supplies. I'm not sure when the next craft haul video will be, but I thought I would give you a bit more of a deep dive into this one. And if you stick around, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to. Tomorrow you'll be seeing me use this collection, the Juniper and Sage collection, for my memory decks for tomorrow. So I hope you stick around for that. Hope you've had a great crafting week. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you soon.